Hello my little rising rockets, my name is Binal Patel. Welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn about digraphs. As you all know what are digraphs, so we'll just begin with vowel digraph. When vowel O is twice in a word, it makes the sound oo and oo, as in w, oo, wool, p, oo, poo, pool, f, oo, food, food, moon, ig, lu, igloo, igloo, broom, broom, scoop, spoon, stood, roof, cook, books, roots, tools, tooth. It's your turn to read now. Let's see whether you can read or not. Look, hook, very good. Fool, mood, I knew it, you can do it. Noon, soon, room, wonderful. Shook, groom, wonderful. Bloom, excellent. I know you have learned a lot from this video. Thank you.